Introducing the iQOO Z10x 5G. It features a Dimensity 7300 processor, a 6500 mAh large capacity battery, 6 GB RAM, 128 GB storage, and military-grade durability. The iQOO Z10x 5G has received a 4.4 out of 5 stars based on 9,277 reviews. Additionally, over 5,000 units were bought in the past month. You can get the iQOO Z10x 5G for only 14,999 rupees, which is a 14% saving off the MRP of 17,499 rupees. EMI options start at 742 rupees per month for 24 months with an HDFC Bank credit card. This is the fastest smartphone in the segment. It utilizes the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor and boasts an AnTuTu score of over 728K. It also includes UFS 3.1 storage for faster data transfers and is available in a 256 GB edition. The phone features a 120 Hz iCare display on a 6.72-inch massive screen. Enjoy an immersive audio experience with dual stereo speakers, offering a 400% volume boost. The military-grade durability ensures a tough and resilient build. Capture Ultra HD image quality with the 50 megapixels Ultra HD camera and record 4K quality videos. The device is powered by AI, offering features like AI Erase, AI Photo Enhance, AI Documents, and AI Screen Translation. Experience the latest software with FunTouch OS 15, based on Android 15. The device comes with 2 years of Android updates and 3 years of security patches. Customer verdict highlights the best value under 15K, solid battery life, and reliable performance. Mixed feedback is noted for display resolution, sound volume, and camera quality.